Let's take this thing out.
Yeah, this thing's gotta go. We don't know how it works though, so I'm just gonna start unbolting things and see what happens. It's in. All the pieces. This is that last piece you saw us chopping up. That's in here. This is an incredibly uncomfortable couch. And after pulling it apart, I can see why.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't regret ripping this to shreds at all. It actually felt kind of good. It feels good to destroy things every once in a while. And then the rest of it had to fit up in here. That's the piece. The other part we cut off. And then the flip out bed part and the little slide out part. So we have two parts of the couch. No clue which two parts.
It could be two ends. Could be a middle and an end.
Could be. Yeah.
Back in the front?
Back in the front. Could just be bottoms. I mean, who knows? There's part numbers right here. They're huge. LAF and RAF. We have a left and a right, but no middle.
I lifted it up there.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay, I got it, Brian. No problem. Just drop it. There are handles.
There are handles.
That wouldn't have been dramatic.
Oh.
Hello. Oh, it's a lot easier.
Yeah?
Well, it was Brian when they arrived.
How heavy is it?
It's not that bad. They're just really big.
I want to know what's in them, so.
Yeah, so you're gonna wait around.
I'm going to wait.
Please don't rip my new couch.
Oh, let's put this box down lower since we have to like lift something out of it.
Good call.
This is the left shark.
This is left.
Left shark.
Left shark.
Hey, you're gonna put left shark in.
This is just wrapped straight around.
Yeah. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Oh, it's another present.
Wow.
Oh, they're all wrapped individually.
Oh, yeah, it's in pieces.
I saw a color. I saw a color.
Ooh, wow. That's like real leather.
Ooh. It's not too
That
like
makes it easy.
greenish.
And it slides on the back.
Yeah, it just snaps in. People were saying that
Let me
it takes
see.
longer to get it.
Out of the
Oh yeah, it just slides right in there, huh?
Yeah, people were saying that it takes longer to get them out of the box than it does to install them. Oh, that's just the whole bottom.
That's it.
Yeah.
So the back just snaps in.
This is clearly the right side. There's an armrest.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, let's take it
These
in.
are nice.
These are much nicer than what we just ripped out of here.
Oh, we're gonna have to show you the back of the van before you leave.
We had to dismantle some things.
It's carnage.
Ooh.
Fancy.
Ooh.
Alrighty.
I'm a fan.
Hello, children. Ta-da!
Look at that. And it's together. Look how
sorry,
much
back
more
there.
comfortable that
Hold
looks.
on. I love armless chairs.
Whoa. Look at you being left shark. Alright, let's get another one.
Cool.
Try it
Oh
out.
my gosh. So much pushier.
She won't have the
No.
L.
And that's okay.
That's fine. It's way more It's kind of annoying going around it. It just collected stuff. There's another horizontal surface.
All right, cool.
Thank you.
Anytime. Yeah. I'll let you know when the third one arrives tomorrow. Nice.
All right, so that old couch, man.
Ooh.
Man. Okay, so full disclaimer, because a lot of you guys, every time we post about something that has happened to this rig or something that has gone wrong, the first thing some of you say is, what the heck? Call Matt, call General, have him take it back. That's not how this works.
No.
We bought a used rig.
Yep.
I looked it over top to bottom, front to back. We said, okay, we signed the paperwork. It's our rig.
Yeah. You don't take it back to that.
Wipers falling off, I can fix that. Slide toppers, I can fix that. Crappy couch that falls apart and isn't comfortable anyway and would have gotten replaced even if it wasn't peeling, we can replace that.
Yep.
So, chill out on the Matt's
Take
a
it
terrible person comments.
Nope.
He has nothing to do with
Nothing at all.
slide toppers breaking. Come on. Anyway, rant over. I'm off my soapbox. That was a terrible couch.
Was a terrible couch.
The old one. The old one. This
Yeah.
one, fabulous.
And we have read a lot of things on the different like founder boards and stuff that other people have the same issue and have ended up replacing their couches.
Yep. So Fleetwood is owned by Rev Group, and apparently they had someone providing fabric for their coaches for like a 2 or 3 year span that this coach falls into, and every single one,
Peeling.
it all peels and disintegrates and falls apart because this pleather stuff that they used was garbage.
Yep. And guess what?
That company's no longer around.
So you can't get any type of
Yeah,
replacement or
no
anything
one's
like that.
no one's owning up
So-
to it. No one's replacing it. So it really, as things falls apart, it's whatever your tolerance level is for peeling
Yeah.
furniture, and then you replace it.
And
So
it might have been different if we were using this on the weekends
yeah,
and we weren't living in it. Like, it probably would have been fine. We would have just covered it.
this
and
couch
used
was
it.
spotless when we bought it.
Yeah, it was.
There were no creases, no crinkles, no rips, no tears, no nothing.
I don't think the people who owned it before ever sat in it.
Yeah, or it sat for a while because it only had 9,000 miles on it. 2016. We bought it in April 2020, so
Yep.
maybe they used it a lot, and then it sat.
And then it
And
got
just
hot
sat.
and cold and hot and cold and
yeah.
hot and cold.
Well, it's Florida, so hot and hotter, and then hot and then hotter. And,
Yeah.
You know, so who knows? That's part of the risk of buying a used rig.
Yeah.
But again, it's not just us. Like, if you go on the Fleetwood owner groups on Facebook and stuff, oh my God, so many people, so many photos. All
Yeah.
looks like what's happening with ours.
Yep.
Let me show you. We have a good picture of Vector sitting on it when we bought it, and also if you see Matt's tour video,
Yep.
you'll see it there. It's spotless. But then it started falling apart, started getting crinkly, started cracking, and that was not from abuse.
No, it was
We
just
just
from
sat.
sitting on it.
You just sit on it. Like, the kids weren't jumping on it. Vector wasn't like scratching up with his claws. It was just sitting on it was making it stretch and crack, and then once it starts, it's all over. And the chairs up here are doing it too. This is the arm of the front seat. You can see this is the underside, and then this is that pleather crap. It's just, look at this. It's just peeling and flaking up. Both arms doing it.
Yeah. And
So-
you're the only one that sits there, so it's not
Yep.
like it's used
Yeah.
from anything more than normal.
Oh,
But we found this. We did look at a ton of like residential
yeah. We went to local
Recliners
furniture
and-
stores.
console love seats and stuff. We found some that we liked. They were
Yeah.
spendy, but then we thought about how they move and
Yes.
how much space they take up when you recline them and things like that. We got into it. We're like, we're gonna need to find an
Yeah.
RV.
You need to, because if you think about it,
thing.
this slide here, we're like, I think from the front lip of the slide to this back wall is the window, but to the back wall here is like 36 inches, I think. And a residential recliner or like console recliner or whatever you want to call console, love seat recliner. Well, there's a bunch of names
Yeah,
for them.
whatever they are.
All of those, when they recline, when you pull the thing or start the electric or whatever, they just go back and the seat comes up. So you don't put them right up against a wall because they tip back and then they'll hit the wall.
Right.
So the problem with RV stuff is you can't have stuff sitting a foot away from the wall because you just don't have that kind of room in here. So these are called wall hugger recliners,
Yes.
and they're really just made for RVs. I'm sure there are some wall hugger recliners made, but whatever. This is an RV piece of furniture made by RecPro, and links to all this will be down below. We actually, if you're interested in RecPro furniture and you hit our link, you get 5% off.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah, so if you want furniture, hit that link, 5% off. I think the shipping was free too, which was really nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this is a wall hugger recliner, and it only needs to be 3 inches from the wall.
Yeah.
And it reclines all the way flat.
Yeah. And we decided to go with the manual one instead of the electric, which was a very good decision because there's no plug to
There
plug
is.
the seats
Yeah,
in.
yeah. I was looking for that while we were doing. I would have had to run.
There's power up there, which is awful.
Yeah, so there's power here, but I wouldn't want to run something down the wall.
No.
There is power under the dinette over there. I could have run.
But
I don't know. I could have. Yeah. But so
it wasn't easy.
Yeah,
it wasn't
there was
easy.
no,
Like
there was no plug here
Yeah.
already.
so we got the manual ones, and I think it's gonna be just fine. One less thing that has to break, and
It's so comfortable.
saved us about $300
So
too.
comfortable.
getting
So
the
all
manual
3 of these recline. Let me go ahead and recline that one. So that one reclines, and then we can show this full. Whoop, lost my grip. So this has 2 cup holders in it and a kind of a solid surface here. This also reclines. And then of course, that one reclines too. So all 3 recline, and they all 3 lay out pretty flat. I don't know if I can do it from this side. Yep. So very, very, very comfortable. Put these down.
And the color we have is putty.
Yeah.
We decided to go. We couldn't get. Let me sit up and not be so reclined. We couldn't get anything that matched specifically to like the ivory that was in here. They do have a
What's the
lighter
name?
color.
I don't remember the name of it, but it was way too yellow.
It was very warm, and I don't know that it would have gone with the wood and everything in here. So this is almost actually the same color as the carpet that they had
the
put
carpet
in
down
here.
below, and this is the wood color in the rig. It actually kind of looks nice, and then this color's in the countertops and stuff too.
Yeah.
So
this
We
worked out
like
well
it.
for us,
Yeah.
getting the
We
putty
like it.
color. But there's 2 different like dark brown colors, like a mahogany and like
black.
an espresso. Or was it black? I thought it was like
yeah.
it's like espresso.
It's
like
basic
super
black,
super
yeah.
dark brown, and then the lighter, warmer color of this.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
and we
But
got
this
the
is,
leather.
And it
Which is
comes
nice.
with like a 3-year warranty on the fabric. So yeah, I like it a lot.
Very
So
comfortable.
again, this is RecPro. We're not working with them.
No,
we
not
just,
sponsored.
we
just
paid full
what we
price
have.
like everybody else, and we except you'll get 5% off. We did not.
Yeah.
But 5% code down below. Yeah, this is so these things here. These.
Yeah, talk about those.
So. Yeah, so we were looking at extra cup holders. And we don't like these. We do not recommend these at all. We're going to send these back. Hopefully we can.
I'm
We're
sure
going to send these back. Because they can't, I mean, look. Would you put a drink in there?
No, and when you move back, they
You move-
like
this
shift
has-
forward and.
And if they're not both reclined, this gets pushed forward and then there's a
Yeah.
big gap and it's falling towards her because she's sitting there.
And if
Yeah.
these were maybe like $20, I could maybe make
Oh, yeah.
them work. But they were
There's
about
70
or 70 a
There's
piece.
like $69 each.
Wow.
They come for this set
Yeah.
of couches. Like they are the right fabric. They are
Yep.
made. They look exactly right. They just, I don't think they work well.
No.
Yeah.
Not
So
bad.
so we'll figure out something else to do for maybe like a cup holder on the outer arms. But in the meantime, this thing here that I'm sitting in front of works just fine.
Yeah.
So now that the couch is in here,
Mm-hmm.
that was kind of the last big thing, right? Yeah, I just got a little things, but that's kind of the last big thing. We were kind of holding off on doing our tour video until
Don't
the
be
couch was
promising
done.
things. We're not prepared to do them.
No. Do we want some encouragement?
What do you have?
Or some
planned?
encouragement? How about if this video that you're watching right now gets 1,000 likes,
Ooh.
we will do a tour video this month.
Like September of
It will,
2020.
it will be published and live this month. What do you think? 1,000 likes? Do you think y'all can do it?
1,000 likes?
1,000.
Like hit the thumbs up.
Hit
like.
the thumbs up. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes. Okay.
Yeah. Speaking of YouTube, we are almost at 50,000 subscribers.
Ooh.
I think we could do that this month too.
Have you subscribed?
Yeah, if you're not subscribed, you should be.
We do fun, exciting
You
things.
should be. You should help us get to 50,000.
You could be that person.
You could be number 50,000.
That'd be so cool.
Yeah.
That'd be really neat to get 50,000.
And you should also, actually, wait, what's today? Today's Monday. Today is Labor Day.
Labor Day.
So today is the 7th? My watch sucks. I don't know why I try and look at it. Whatever today is. We're coming up on our 3rd anniversary on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Our first video up went up on September 11th. I didn't even realize what day it was when I published it, but it's easy to remember.
Yes.
September 11th, 2017.
Yep.
So 3 years this week.
Yeah. It's our YouTube anniversary.
So let's do it.
How cool would it be to get 50,000 on our 3rd anniversary?
That would be cool. We're close.
Help us. That would be so
We're
cool.
close. Yeah.
I
So
like
help us get to that. So we want 50,000 subscribers this month.
Yeah.
And if this video gets 1,000 likes,
We'll make a tour
1,000
video.
thumbs up, we will do a tour video, and it will be out this month. And it's going to be better than the last one.
The last one that has over 2 million views?
2.5, yeah.
Okay.
No one's counting.
Nobody's counting. Just you. Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Think you could do it? Also, join us on Discord.
Yeah.
So the last video didn't get a lot of traffic. However,
We have so many new friends on Discord.
we have like 500 people on Discord now.
Do we really?
Almost, yeah.
Oh
We're
my
just shy of
gosh.
500 people on Discord.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's awesome. So Discord, if you didn't see the last video, it's a completely free chatting app. You just hit the link down below or just type in 5togo.com/Discord into your browser and you join our server, and it is just completely open. There's about 500 people in there. It's RVers of all stripes, of all levels of experience.
Yep.
We're in there all the time. We got a couple different rooms where we talk about different stuff.
Yep.
And it's just a great place where lots of talk about like towing capacities, floor plans, traveling with kids, gear and technology, just general found something fun on the internet, want to share it with a group of people.
Yeah.
So everyone that's in there has been awesome. So thank you all for joining us.
That's so cool.
And if you're not in there, you should be.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
Alrighty. So, couch is done. This couch is awesome.
Yes.
Love it. If you want a nice new couch. Oh, also, this is super easy to get in through the door.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I mean, we filmed it, and it came in a huge box. But it comes in 2 pieces. You just pop them together, and you're done.
Yeah.
They fit through the door, no problem. Like the old one did not fit out the door. So that was a nightmare. I'm so glad the thing's gone.
It's gone.
So glad. All right, so tour video maybe coming this month.
1,000 likes.
1,000 likes, 50,000 subscribers. We love you all. Thank you all
Thank you so
very
much.
So very much. We really, really, really do appreciate it.
And if you see us out and about,
Yeah.
come and say hi.
Yeah.
We
We're
like
in
to meet
Central
new
Florida,
people.
so hop on Discord. Let us know if you're nearby. We'll get together.
Absolutely.
Alrighty, guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.